Traditional firewalls inspect traffic based on interfaces, but modern networks demand zone-based security. By grouping interfaces into distinct trust zones, security policies become modular, strict, and far easier to enforce. In a zone-based firewall, every network interface belongs to a dedicated security zone defined by explicit trust levels. The untrust zone represents external public networks with zero trust. The DMZ houses public-facing services at medium trust, while the trust zone contains critical internal assets. Traffic cannot pass between zones unless an explicit zone pair policy is established. By default, all interzone communication is completely blocked under a rigid default deny security posture. Traffic flowing within the exact same zone is permitted by default, avoiding unnecessary overhead for internal LAN communication. Let's trace how a zone-based firewall evaluates real-world traffic flows. Scenario 1, an internal workstation initiates an outbound web request to the untrust zone. The inspection engine records the session state, allowing automatic return traffic back to the trust zone. Scenario 2, an external untrusted actor attempts an unsolicited direct connection into the trust zone. Because no zone pair policy allows untrust-to-trust initiation, the packet is instantly vaporized. Scenario 3, external traffic accessing HTTPS on the public DMZ server is permitted by policy. Behind the security architecture lies clean, declarative policy configuration. We define zones, map interfaces, and bind stateful inspection service policies directly to specific zone pairs. To summarize, zone-based firewalls simplify policy management while drastically shrinking the attack surface. By combining default deny policies, stateful tracking, and strict zone isolation, modern enterprises achieve robust defense in depth.